Welcome to the Daily Market Review brought to you by OptionsClick.
Hello and welcome to our look at the July 15th trading session. A few announcements to pay attention to today. One, of course, is going to be Chinese GDP. That, of course, will move the markets on a risk on, risk off type of stocks up, stocks down situation. We have unemployment rate, claimant count change out of the UK. That, of course, will move the FTSE and the pound. And we have core PPI and PPI coming out of the United States. Industrial production, of course, can move the stock markets. But really, what could be the most volatile statement might be one that is a little bit out of the usual with the Canadian interest rate announcement. And that, of course, is because it will influence crude oil along with the crude oil inventories number. So we could see a move in the Canadian dollar and the crude oil markets during the session. Okay, so looking at the S&P 500, you can see that we are starting to climb again during the session on Tuesday. So it looks like we're in a situation where all we can do is buy calls. We think that will be the case going forward, and as a result, we are bullish. With the crude oil inventory numbers coming out, of course, you can see that we have initially pulled back in the WTI again during the session on Tuesday, but really at this point in time, looks like we're ready to continue consolidating. We think a bounce is probably coming. Call buying opportunities exist, especially if the inventory numbers tend to be lower than anticipated. However, the Canadians could throw a monkey wrench in the deal. If they mention lack of demand for energy, that of course could soften the markets. At this moment in time, we anticipate the 50 level to be the bottom and 54 to be the top. So we should continue to go back and forth in this area. And the British pound is showing strength during the session on Tuesday, breaking the top of the shooting star. So it does have us bullish. Claimant count changes, of course, can move the markets back and forth. But truthfully, we believe that the upward momentum continues and we are call buyers.
This review was brought to you by OptionsClick, the most trusted binary options broker.